I'm going to show you how to fix emp.dll error in Red Dead Redemption 2, so let's start. Now for the first method, you should go to the search and type in NVIDIA. Select NVIDIA app. If you don't find it, go download the app from the web browser from their official website. Go to the left menu after signing up with your account and click on install. Select Express or Custom. After that, click on continue to start the installation process. Now go to the Windows icon right here and go to settings. Now after this appearing, go to the left menu and select Windows Update and do the same thing by installing or retry failed updates. Once you successfully installed all the updates, the next step, go to the Windows taskbar, select this upside arrow. After that, go to your antivirus, for example Avast, right click and then select open quarantine. When you open it, you most likely find the Red Dead Redemption 2 file appearing right here, so you need to just select it, go to the three dots and select restore and add exception. If you don't have this antivirus, just go to the search right here and type in security and click on Windows security. After that, type in protection against threats and viruses, scroll all the way down and select manage settings. After that, scroll all the way down and select add or delete exclusion. Now you should select add an exclusion. After that, select folder. Now go to your C drive, look for program files 86, this one, open it and then look for Rockstar games and make sure to add this folder. It will be appearing like this. Make sure to do that on the launchers you have, Steam, Rockstar, Epic Games. By that, any file that is related to that launcher will not be taken out by the antivirus as a threat. So once you do that, you just need to open the launcher that you have the game on. After that, go to library and click on collections. Now look for Red Dead Redemption 2, for example this one. You will find this gear icon in the right. Make sure to right click and then select properties. In the left menu, select installed files. After that, select verify integrity of game files. That way, any corrupted or missing files related to that game, which is that file, will be recovered. So just wait for the process to finish. If you find it helpful, consider like and subscribing, and see you on the next one.